Gators, it's Mrs. Sears
and Mrs. Norton,
and we're going to show you how to do the October Steam Challenge activity, which is a balloon pump.
To complete this craft, you're going to need a balloon, yarn, and tape. Both the balloon and yarn will be provided in your craft bag, but you will need to get tape.
First step is to blow up your orange balloon, but not all the way.
just about this big. Once you've gotten it to about this size, you do not want to tie it. Just twist the top to hold the air in temporarily. And then get a little piece of painter's tape or masking tape and close it off to keep the air from coming out.
You're then going to tape and wrap your yarn so that you start creating the indents that look like a pumpkin.
This is the tricky part, so don't get too frustrated. Take your time.
But the whole point of this is to be a challenge and for you to be resilient and keep trying. Okay, so now I have the indents of where I think the pumpkin would be. I'm gonna cut my string and tie it. I'm just gonna make sure that all the lines at the bottom here kind of line up, so that way I don't have any issues there. All right, so that's good. I'm gonna cut. And now I'm gonna take the loose end and tie it to one of the strings that I wrapped around. And then I'm just gonna yank on it and make sure that it's tight. And again, play with my strings until I get them aligned where I want them for my pumpkin.
The fourth step is to make sure everything is secured and taped.
Vertical on the string, so long ways on the string. And at the very bottom, she has already placed Scotch tape all along the bottom there to secure those pieces. You want to make sure this area is very secure because you're going to start blowing it back up in 1 second.
Once everything is secure, you're going to remove the tape from the air valve and blow up your balloon.
And here we have the finished product. You'll see that the balloon started to indent in certain areas. And this really depends on how tight you pull your string when it's in a smaller balloon and making sure that your tape is securely on each of the yarn strings.